Welcome to 85 At Home Baking, where you're the one serving fresh bread. When you order from 85 at Home, you'll receive a case of our delicious products frozen. Once you unbox the items you ordered, just follow the instructions included with your order. With most of our products, all you have to do is just lay the products on a pan lined with a cookie sheet, bake as instructed, and enjoy. With some products, we offer little tips and tricks that allow you or the kids to feel like professional bakers. One of these techniques is our egg wash brushing. With most of the products, you can opt not to do them and they will still taste just as good. But egg wash brushing, for instance, gives the top layer a beautiful golden brown look. In this example, we chose not to brush the last two so you can see the difference. With our various products, we will introduce you to tips and tricks that will make baking fun and teach you some of our secrets for the best pastries and other baked goods. Imagine placing your items in the oven and smelling the beautiful aroma warming your home. Once they're ready, all you have to do is pull them out and call out, "Fresh bread!" Click on the Shop Now link above to pick out all your favorites and complete your order.
Sweeten your